Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a haul. But before I get to that, I also wanted to show you my little Blythe I've been working on. I absolutely love her. I got the first pair of pants too tight. I got the second pair of pants. I like the fit, but they're not right in the back. But there she is. Wanted to give you a little update. I gotta tell you about I don't want to open this one yet. I gotta tell you about my husband. He's so cute. We are so behind around here. Actually, we're not behind. We just keep reshifting. And Darren has been working so much on his regular job. It's incredible. But let's go through this quickly. I bought some more connection blocks. This is a sword. Didn't we get one of these?
Yeah.
I think we got two. And then I'm telling you, these gloves are $1.99. They are for, well, actually they're for anything. These are neoprene. They are so warm and good. We buy these for riding our bikes because they break the wind. Get some of those, $1.99. I bought some more of these pearl necklaces that this goes to the side and it looks like a bite. Let me pull one out. These really are cute. This is out of they were Black Friday, but they continued it where they have, that's AliExpress on the front page of the $1.99 deals. All right, this goes off to the side and it looks like a bite mark with dripping blood. Aren't those so cute?
Or neck slash or
whatever. Cute and gory. Really good for like Halloween videos, Halloween costumes, if you just have that edge to you. These are little doll outfits, really cute. Let me go ahead and pull this out. Again, $1.99. Did I need them? No, but seriously, look how cute. And it has this little, these are for 1/6 BJD dolls is what they're actually for, but they will fit Blythe. They're a little wider in here than I like. Cute, cute, cute little hats that come with them. $1.99. I can't make it for that. And then I got a couple more gifts of these pearl necklaces. So we are way behind, I started to tell you. And this stuff has sat, what, here in over a week?
yeah.
So last night, Darren's like, we were talking about filming and, you know, different videos. And Darren said, I really need you to do that haul because I have some stuff in there and I need it. He needs it for work. So today, we're getting to it. I have some other videos coming up. I'm going to do a, I thought they sent the wrong color. I'm going to do a challenge and collab video to let you know what's going on. Probably record that this morning and get it up. All right. This I love. Darren, oh, that looks right. Darren and I ride tandem bikes. We own 3. We used to ride them to church every week. This is a frog. This is a toad. How cute is that? We're both gonna try this one on because the sizes are Asian sizes or sizes. Let's not kid ourselves. All sizes are just crazy. And we want those when we ride our tandem, and we actually have a forest green mountain bike, tandem bike. Here's what Darren needed. Did you want to take a minute and show these off? He got some nuts and bolts and are there bolts in there or just nuts?
Metric screws or bolts, however you want to.
Are there bolts too?
Yeah, they're just
okay.
round head machine screws
yeah.
with hex.
All right, here's some more.
And
that too is
these are
Darren's.
Square metric nuts, which are hard to find around here.
Now I know all you doll people need those. So there you go, AliExpress. All right, let's see what's in here. I order this stuff and it takes so long to get here, and I order more, and I'm watching to make sure, you know, this came in and that came in, and I forget what I got. Oh. This is perhaps for my pull-up make your own. I got this beautiful red hair wig. Oh, God, I love a redhead. And it has bangs. Wow, that is just so nice. So beautiful. I want to be careful and put this right back in here. It comes with a comb.
Whoa, how handy is that?
And the foam silicone headpiece that holds the, holds the wig still. Now, can I ever get this back in here? Not in the 2 seconds I have between opening. Boy, I want to be careful with this one. It goes side to side. Wow, this is really, I don't know what we have here, but it is, oh, it's my bags. I am currently making skirts plus shoes, and some are getting headbands also for Huddle and for BlytheCon, and I needed little bags for my skirts. All right, should we open this? Yes. This is, I think, just a replacement doll because I used one, and yes, I have a bunch of Blythes in stash. I probably have more in stash waiting than most people own. I love these dolls. I like doing face-ups on them. I love sewing for them. When I give one away, I usually try to replace it, and I need to get, I just told Darren this morning, I need to get a few out and get face-ups on them so that they are ready for gifts. Love, love, love these pretty dolls. Her face is kind of pouty. Oh, where's your string, sweetheart? She has nice hair. It's not as thick as it used to be, but that's a lot of hair. There's a lot of humans that would like to have hair that thick. If you had a typical hair tie, the elastic kind, it would go around that twice. That's how thick it is. All right. She has these beautiful gray eyes. I really like them. Come on, sweetie. Blue, amber, and of course pink. We're going to put her on gray. She goes up into stash because she is going to be a gift for someone at some point. And we also, Darren and I, every now and again, at least once a year, haven't we been giving away Blythes for challenges and collabs that I host? All right, I know what's in here. This is really fun. These are the blind bag Blythe figurines. I love these. Oh, and something else. Let's see who we did get, and if I have, of course, duplicates. Let's see. All right, here's a box that did not get, did not look like it got knocked around, so I'm going to cut it free. I like to reuse the packing items that come. All right, let's open this one. I do save these boxes. And I save the little cards. When I display the little dolls, I put the card under them because I think it's cute. And they come in these little boxes. And there are, oh gosh, I think there's 12.
That's what I remember is 12. Yeah.
12 different. They show 8 on the boxes, but when you go look at the site on AliExpress, there are 12 different, and of course I want them all. Here, that's for you, Darren. You like those for your...
Yummy.
All right, I got a duplicate. I shouldn't open it. I should put it back in there and give it as a gift. All right, it is a really, really cute one. It is the little pink-haired girl with the purse, and I'm gonna set her to the side. They also come with a little stand, and it's the Takara Blythe type shape, with like they did the Takara Blythes when they came out. And they have a little hole in the back of their back, and you push the little upright into that hole. Okay, I'm going to set her here and open another. And then we'll take a break and see what's in this bag. And then we'll open another. Now this one got crushed. It's okay. I fold these boxes down and save them. Why? Because it's collectible. And, a good box. I got the same exact doll. I'm not going to open it. I might give that for a gift. Let me open this one, and then we'll open that, and then I will turn my cameraman loose so that he can get back to work. Actually, I have another video to film. All right, let's open this one up. This is fun, these little blind boxes. Whoever came up with this, brilliant, because we keep... Oh, I do not think I have her. I'll have to look upstairs. Here's her little stand. There are a lot of challenges and collabs coming up. Join in. I got the little purple-haired girl, and I don't think I have her upstairs. Isn't she adorable? Just little figurines. Where'd that stand go? I'm going to set this here and move on. Trying to do this quickly for my cameraman. All right, what is this? Oh! Darren and I have been working out. Not something we started January 1st. Darren and I have been working out since we've been together. Sometimes we lag, sometimes I get hurt and I can't for a while, which is what happened, and I'm back at it. We have set up a little area in our basement with, when it got really cold out, we have a stationary bike and a, what is that thing called?
Elliptical?
Yeah, elliptical, and they're old, and I got them cheap at a garage sale. So we bought a big screen TV, we put it up in the basement, and I got a stopwatch so I can tell how long I've been going round on that bike, because I'm going to be honest, don't like it. I like to be out on our bike. Last 3 days, it's been nicer, and we were able to take our fat tire bikes out. What is mine? Like 4, and his is 5-inch tires, which gives you a lot of resistance. They're made for snow. No, we do not have motors on any of our bikes at this time. I'm getting older. I might have to give in to it, but not yet. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.